Welcome to our YouTube channel, your go-to channel for everything you need to know about responsible AI. Artificial intelligence is rapidly transforming our world. As AI systems become more complex, understanding their decision-making processes is paramount. This need for transparency has given rise to Explainable AI or XAI. XAI is crucial for building trust and ensuring responsible AI development. It allows us to peer into the black box of AI and understand how decisions are made. This transparency fosters trust and allows us to identify potential biases or errors. Deep learning models, while powerful, can be opaque in their decision-making. XAI provides the tools and techniques to decipher these complex processes. Explainable AI or XAI refers to techniques that make AI decision-making processes understandable to humans. It's about opening up the black box of AI and shedding light on how these systems arrive at their conclusions. XAI provides tools and frameworks to interpret their outputs and understand the factors that influence them. This can involve visualizing decision trees, highlighting important features in input data, or generating natural language explanations. The core principle of XAI is to provide insights into the why behind AI decisions. This understanding is crucial for identifying potential biases, debugging errors, and ensuring alignment with human values. By providing understandable explanations, XAI empowers users to trust and effectively utilize AI systems. This human-AI collaboration is essential for harnessing the full potential of AI across various domains. One of the most significant benefits of XAI is the increased trust it fosters in AI systems. When users understand how an AI arrives at a decision, they are more likely to accept and trust its output. XAI promotes transparency by revealing the inner workings of AI models. This transparency is crucial for building accountability and ensuring ethical use. By understanding the factors that influence AI decisions, we can identify and mitigate potential biases. Reducing bias is another key advantage of XAI. By providing insights into the decision-making process, XAI can help us address biases embedded in the data or the model. This iterative process of understanding, debugging, and improvement is crucial for developing robust and reliable AI systems. In an increasingly regulated landscape, XAI is becoming essential for compliance. Regulations like the GDPR and CCPA emphasize the right to explanation, requiring organizations to provide transparent explanations for AI-driven decisions. XAI provides the tools and frameworks to meet these regulatory requirements. Compliance with these regulations is not just a legal necessity, it's also a matter of building trust. By demonstrating transparency and accountability, organizations can build stronger relationships with their customers and stakeholders. XAI can also help organizations proactively address potential regulatory challenges. Explainable AI in high-stakes sectors, healthcare and finance. In healthcare, XAI can help clinicians understand the rationale behind AI-powered diagnoses and treatment recommendations. In finance, XAI can provide transparency into algorithmic trading decisions, risk assessments, and credit scoring. This transparency is crucial for building trust among investors and ensuring fair financial practices. XAI can also help mitigate the risks associated with AI deployment in these sensitive sectors. By identifying potential biases and errors, XAI can help prevent costly mistakes and ensure responsible AI use. Challenges and solutions in implementing XAI. Despite its benefits, implementing XAI is not without challenges. One main challenge is the trade-off between model complexity and explainability. Highly complex models like deep neural networks can be difficult to interpret. Another challenge is the need for specialized expertise. Developing and implementing XAI solutions requires a deep understanding of both AI and the specific domain. Addressing these challenges requires investing in talent, training, and robust XAI tools. Establishing clear governance structures and ethical guidelines is essential for effective and responsible XAI integration. The future of XAI promises to be both exciting and transformative. With continuous advancements in AI technology, the demand for transparency and accountability will grow stronger. XAI will play a pivotal role in bridging the gap between complex AI systems and human understanding. Emerging fields such as autonomous vehicles, personalized medicine, and smart cities will benefit immensely from XAI. Collaboration between researchers, industry leaders, and policymakers will be key in shaping the future landscape of XAI. By fostering a culture of openness and ethical AI practices, we can harness the full potential of AI while safeguarding against unintended consequences. Now more than ever, it is crucial to embrace explainable AI and integrate it into our AI systems. Whether you are a researcher, a developer, or a decision maker, your role in advancing XAI is vital. Invest in education and training to build expertise in XAI. Advocate for transparency and accountability in AI practices within your organization. Support policies and initiatives that promote ethical AI development. Thank you for watching. Join us for engaging topics, clear and concise explainers, and tutorials that will help you navigate the complexities of AI responsibly. We also believe in the power of community. Your questions, comments, and feedback are what make this journey exciting. So don't hesitate to join the conversation and share your thoughts with us. Are you ready to embark on this journey towards a more ethical and responsible AI future? Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Together, let's shape the future of AI responsibly.